HVAC people!
All right, we got a no cool call this morning. No cooling call. This a thermostat here?
Yeah.
Okay. 84, huh?
Papi, who's that guy?
Who's that guy?
Who's that guy?
Why didn't you talk to him? Say hello.
Hi.
Hello, I'm the fix your air conditioner.
He's gonna fix the air.
Air conditioning technician.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah. All right, for sure.
Yeah, let me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's the only thing.
Yeah, they'll make it walk away when you put it down. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. The homeowner thinks it's a leak. Homeowner thinks it's a leak, but I don't feel any refrigerant. Everything else look pretty good. No flow switch. Let's go outside to the condenser unit. Check the filter. Long way. Hear me, sir? I was gonna put it in the right way, but I'm gonna tell him he needs to change this out. Alright, so this is our unit. I don't think we out of refrigerant. I think it might be a bad cap. Oh yeah, I hear the cap. I don't know if you hear that buzzing, but especially if this the capacitor with like the yellow, the blue, and the brown color coded, the old capacitor will go out on you. Fairly new neighborhood. It's a 45 by 7.5. Yeah, this one's the one I was expecting. Some of them come with like a blue, a yellow, and a brown color coded. But it's a 45 by 7.5. I'm sure that's our problem. Yeah, I think we might get lucky.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think this got a bad cap.
What is it?
Capacitor.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm thinking it is. I think your refrigerant should be good. Cause it was cooling well before this happened, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we might get lucky on this one. All right, so we'll check this here. So I got 0. That's not good.
Well, you put the breaker down, right?
Yeah, I'm checking the capacitance on here. So I got 0. So you need a new capacitor.
Okay.
All right, so I got a 45 by 7.5 here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook the gauges up, Because the first thing the homeowner told me, he think it was low on refrigerant. So I hate to put a new capacitor in here and leave and it's not cooling well, or but I'm sure we got refrigerant. Cause usually when I do that, they'll ask me, you check the pressures? Well, you check the refrigerant? So now I can tell them, yeah. So we got standing pressure about 253. It's 410A. All right. All right, so mine gonna be a little smaller, so let me go get some plumber scrap. Alright, so my last one of my calls, I blew a fuse. So let's try not to do that this time. Like I say, if you touch this with any metal or anything, that contactor, you may blow a fuse, so be careful. I think this is gonna be a little too big. See, that one don't move at all if I touch it. Don't really move. This one rocks. This one don't rock. That's how you know it's bad. All right. So we want us a common right here. Common, blue and use it for the herm, and the brown is for the fan. All right. Fired up. See what it do. There we go. Back in action. Got 10 amps on the compressor. And rated for 19. I got about 11.1. I'm gonna call that good. See what our pressure look like. It's pretty warm in there, so got 169 on the suction, 327 on the discharge, about 13 degrees sub cooling. Gonna let that run about 5 minutes. We'll wrap this one up. Thanks a lot.